dito. We're gonna eat brunch natin. Can you please have a seat? Have a seat, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Kaya. Ulam tayo ng Aksidata Yuki. Cardis. Parya. At yung parya, magbak nga. Yung ampalaya na sinasabi ko na hindi siya mapait. Here, rice. No, hindi siya mapait. Ano? Hindi siya mapait.
That's really good.
No! It's actually good. Kasama na sila. Ang sarap. Hindi siya mapait. Diba? Ay, mapait? No, it's not.
For me, it is.
It's not. Hindi siya mapait.
Maybe for you, you have a lot of experience eating that. Bitter. Isn't it bitter now?
Crunchy. Tapos, di ba, usually ang ampalaya is sobrang pait, pero ito hindi. Ibaho ko lang to sa kapitbahay. Wow. Try naman natin to.
I think that's sweet.
Mamaya. Okay. Alright. Masarap din pala to. Try mo.
Yeah.
I-try nyo itong kainin. Yung, anong tawag dito?
Ching-chong.
Yung sitaw.
I need it to be very spicy.
No, it's good.
This one needs to be very spicy for me. Oh yeah, look. See?
It's very crunchy. Tapos, matamis siya. Try this one, anak. Try mo.
Yeah. This is the beanstalk seed from Grow a Garden. Did you know, guys? You know? Beanstalk. Beanstalk seed on Grow a Garden. It's the real beanstalk.
Very crunchy siya. Diba? Parang kumakain ka lang ng mangga.
No?
Yung hilaw na mangga.
Carrots.
Yeah, carrots, hindi.
But the mango, like the
Mango.
crunchy mango.
The only difference is that mango is very
good. Sweet.
it's sweet, at the same time it's very sour. But this one, wala siyang lasa. It's crunchy. It's good. It's like eating a carrot, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Ito yung itlog. Namay?
this one I want.
Ang pala yan. I like this one.
Is this one bitter too?
No, it's not. Because it has egg.
Okay. Good.
I like the ampalaya and this one. Sitaw. It's really good. I like it.
I like the eggs.
Look at it. And we have this one, Cardis.
Look at this. It's bitter.
No, it's not. That's
I
not
mean
bitter.
the leaves.
No, it's not.
It's this. And this one.
That's not ampalaya's leaves. Hindi yan dami ang ampalaya.
No, that tastes bitter.
It's not. It's not. I like this.
I like this. Ooh. Imagine Jandel adding new seeds. Nothing. I'm just talking about something.
Ang sausawan pala namin is yung chili oil.
And it's
Nothing
homemade.
special.
It's
Mm.
homemade.
Homemade. Tapos,
By someone.
itong mga kinakain namin,
Homemade from her.
except the rice, is
From her.
tanim ng saruba, kapitbahay namin. Yeah. Except of course, that banana. Very good. Masarap. I-try ninyo. Naimas. This is not very mapait. No, it's not.
It's not. Yeah, I know. I do believe you, but
Have you tried yung ibang variety
Yes.
ng ampalaya?
yeah.
Those?
Those are very bitter.
Very bitter na.
Oh.
Like this one, no? Tanim ni Food Rebels at ni Mudra.
Who's that?
Silang nagtanim, si Jefferson ang kumain.
Who's that?
Ha?
Who's that?
Foodra and Mudra?
Who's
Or grandpa and grandma? Lola tiya, lola niya. Alright?
Don't
Very content
finish
food.
all the thing. There's chili.
Paresan mo ng kape? Perfect.
And Milo.
Parang naubos ko yung ang palaya. Habang may bunga pa. Kasi pag winter na, wala na. Right? Rice. Kulang yung sausawa.
Should have got more than.
Ha?
Should have got more. Oh yeah.
Ang sarap. Baka sabihin nyo, pek. Hindi.
What is that?
Alam mo yung magpipretend
Yeah.
na masarap. Even it's not. It's good, right?
That's me, especially if it's bitter food.
And the cardis. This is cardis. Ewan ko kung anong tawag ninyo dyan. Tapos dahon ng sitaw. Kaya naman. Dampalaya. Ayaw mo?
I ate too much spicy.
Ay, binanatan mo tong sili eh.
But it's good. Yeah. Sweet and spicy basically. But 2 times better. When you eat it, there's no turning back. You know?
Ubos.
I ate a lot of this, the impalaya beanstalk.
You eat a lot of ampalaya.
Yeah. This one, when I eat, is bitter, you know? For me, it is.
Dahon, this is dahon ng sitaw.
It's bitter.
Yeah!
No.
We'll do it again.